shite. Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and in today's video we're going to be working on Tooney's Mayfair.
Right, so what we're going to be doing today is installing a replacement standard exhaust in the infinite wisdom.
Should we explain to them why we're...
Yeah, let's explain.
Right, so basically, I know I'm going to get absolutely hammered in the comments for this. When I first bought the car, I knew nothing about minis, so I thought, yeah mate, let's stick a centre pipe on it, and yeah, then I realised that was probably not a bright idea.
No.
So yeah, it is a standard exhaust system though, so it's kind of like, it is still...
So if you don't know about this car, it's a standard 998 Mayfair, 1000cc. It's 1989 and it's only got 2,000 miles on the clock. That's genuine as well. Let's try it again. Where it's been cut is right on this joint here. So when the exhaust's been refitted, it's got a bit of a blow. Okay, so you can hear that exhaust blow. In theory, I'm going to place my hand over the exhaust. It should build up pressure, but it doesn't change at all. So we're going to replace the system, jack it up at the front, put some ramps underneath the front, slacken off the front mount, and then drop the exhaust down, and then we'll see how we get on from there.
That was strictly just to get it.
Yeah. Right, so we've removed the air filter box and it gets us access down the back. Hopefully, you better see the exhaust clamp somewhere. There it is. So the two bolts got to come undone and then that'll drop down. That spanner.
That was savage. That was lucky it was on your shoulder, mate. If that had been on your head, it'd rip your head open.
Now that clamp's off, let's do the rest of it.
I was going to give you an oily willy then.
Right. So, underneath the car.
Hold on a sec. Get these angles.
Underneath we've got a mount.
Oh,
back.
I'm zooming in.
What are you doing?
I don't know how to zoom out now.
You've used the camera before.
Yeah, but I just like zoom right into your nose.
Okay, so under here we've got a mount at the back. We've got the two mounts at the rear of the vehicle. So we'd undo them clips and then we should be able to manhandle the exhaust out of there.
In more important news, Tooney's fallen out of his wheelchair.
bit of rubbing.
You're not having a new exhaust, are you, Alex?
Oh yeah, I'm having another one, Barry. You know what I'm like?
I know what you like.
It's got a room tube this, so when you start it up it just goes RUM!
Look at this thing. You know, now this is turning
Oh,
it'll be wiping out.
Don't you remind me, mate.
Yeah, you just enjoy it while you can.
What an absolute bodge.
That was to get it in the all that.
That's disgraceful.
You got a catalytic converter on.
It's just got.
That's what it is, that little bit, silver bit there.
Yeah. You
No, they're taking
On
the piss
earth
out
is
now.
that?
Is it on camera as well?
Yes, needs to be. Crime watch this one. Yeah. Exhaust is underneath the car. Got some exhaust space to put on the joint. That can then get jacked up onto the manifold. The rear brackets can be fitted, and then we can clamp it all down. Start it up. Too bad. I can see you coming. Right, so basically, I've jacked up the manifold, I've jacked the exhaust onto the manifold. Alex is putting the clamp on there now. I'm going to go and attach the rear cotton rail to the exhaust to make sure the exhaust is level. Otherwise, if you attach it when it's down, the clamp will sort of go like this, and you end up getting a blow from the back of the exhaust. So make sure it's nice and level. Alex likes to blow. So making sure it's nice and level is going to be a much better way of fitting this exhaust. So I'll go do that now.
Put some on me.
Ratchet's here, mate. Go on.
Okay, so bit of an update. The carburetor was removed to get access down to the bottom bolt because it was a bit of a pain to get to. So the new exhaust is in, and I don't know how well you can see that. The clamp is now refitted. So them bolts there are a nightmare. It was angled to start with, like this, and it's probably done from factory. So one bolt was accessible, the other one wasn't. So we've got that off. The new exhaust has been fitted. Underneath the vehicle,
The motor.
the jack is supporting that exhaust still, and then all the way down is a lot more fitted to the car.
They must lift it in and then put the carb on after. Yeah. The engine's in.
One thing we found a bit of a mishap was this exhaust seemed to have like misshapen somewhere, and it was rubbing slightly on the pot joint. So that is, it's really smooth that. So yeah, the new one has plenty of clearance, so we should have no issues whatsoever.
Should we go for another 100,000 miles now?
But Tony's going to do the honours and start it, just to make sure there's no exhaust blows from here.
Quite like it.
So it's nice and quiet.
That's got no air filter on either.
And we'll come down the back and hopefully we'll hear that compression. So yeah, burn a hole in my glove. It's nice. So yeah, the exhaust now. The compression's there. There is a slight leak at the front, so we just nip them bolts up a little bit tighter, and hopefully that will rectify that. Right, so that's it. The exhaust is fitted. It runs like an absolute sewing machine. And now, I'm going to go for a little drive.